Hello, this is Steve Webster from Dido of DidoWeb.com. This is a second version of a how-to video on the Google Apps script called Email Autocomplete, the Google site version. So let's get started. Okay, we have a website here, and inside that website we have an application. It's a Google Apps Gadget application. If we click on the instructions, it says Get Personal Contacts. And it says this application requires access to your personal contacts. Visit the home page first to grant approval. So let's go ahead and do that. And as we open up our home page, we notice that we have an embedded spreadsheet. The spreadsheet has some text here that says, I acknowledge and accept my personal contacts will be copied and temporarily stored for Google Site applications. Stored contacts will be removed in about 30 minutes. In other words, when it comes to sites, Google takes great care of privacy with our personal contacts. But there are times within corporations where we desire to have an application that may run in sites to access those personal contacts within our organization. So this is a way of accomplishing that. So let's go ahead and click the I agree button. And it says gathering and storing contacts. Please wait for confirmation. And we wait. And we do get the confirmation that we may proceed to run the application. So let's go back to the autocomplete email web page. And let's click on instructions. And we've already done step 1. Let's go to step 2, display autocomplete. And just like in our first video, where the script was demonstrated associated to a spreadsheet that was unpublished, we see the same information here. And as a review, let's read this. Example Google Apps script that mimics the autocomplete feature found in Gmail composed emails. This free, unsupported application developed by Dido can be downloaded at DidoWeb.com. So there's 3 ways of how this works. First, we start typing. As we start typing, it goes out to our personal contact list to find matches. Now, the first method is we can press the Enter key to make our selection, and by doing so, it brings it over to our compiled list over here to the right. The second option, as we type, is we can use our mouse or our pointer to go ahead and click on a selection to bring it over here to our compiled list. And the third method is, let's say we want to type in an email that doesn't exist in our personal contact list, but we want to include it. And so I'll enter that and press Enter, and it comes over here. And please make note, when we do type in a email address, if it's not formatted correctly, if we press Enter, it simply ignores it. And as before, another feature is, let's say we accidentally made an incorrect selection. Well, I can come over here and follow these instructions to remove, click on the email, and I'll just click that, and it's removed. Okay, that ends the how-to demonstration of how to use this particular autocomplete script within a site. Let's go over what this means to a developer. Basically, what's happening is, in the autocomplete spreadsheet version, which was demonstrated in a separate video, there was one spreadsheet and one associated app script, and it runs faster when it's all contained like that. However, in this version of embedded into a site page, there are actually 2 spreadsheets and 2 app scripts in one site. And spreadsheet 1 displays the I agree button that we saw on the home page and stores a username and a spreadsheet key. The app script 1, which is associated to the spreadsheet number 1, creates a second temporary spreadsheet with the user's personal contact list and stores that spreadsheet key. And by the way, there's a time trigger that removes the stored contact list spreadsheet about every 30 minutes. A further way to protect your privacy. And the second script is associated with the site. And it opens the spreadsheet number 1 to get the user's spreadsheet key, and the user spreadsheet is open to display the matching personal contacts. Well, this ends the video. We hope you enjoy it. The script, you may download it at DidoWeb.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.